Let's make sure. Hey guys, what's up? Hey, what's up, gamers? Just a quick update on the my PC. I'm ordering in the next 2 weeks the motherboard and the core processor. I have right now. I didn't show you guys. Justin knows, and I've been talking over and over. It's kind of a surprise, but I figured you guys want to see this little part. My case and my keyboard is going to be matching colors. I'm trying to put everything matching, but I don't know yet. Today I got a new SD card so I can make these vlogs for you. But I got this here. It's a Cool Master. I will show you the box. I'm not gonna show you this, but I will show you the box. It's a Cooling Master right here. I don't know if you can see it. You can hardly see it. Anyways, you probably saw it just a second ago, but it is. I have everything except everything that's inside. That needs to be inside. But as soon as that goes up, I will be posting a lot of vlogs. I will be literally getting new stuff for the camera, vlogging every day. I'm gonna start vlogging every day. Just gotta find some time to do so because I got 2 days break. I gotta go somewhere tonight. But still, me and Justin will be doing a live probably tonight. We got our setup right here. I will not show you. I will show you. I will talk to Justin, find out when I will show you this stuff. We will both be vlogging this. Justin could be here, but it's a quick update on my PC right now, so it's nothing really big. I got my Devastator 2 combo. It's a keyboard and mouse. So I will be doing a video when it's all fully or piece by piece. I will let you know when it comes in. For now, all my videos are being edited on my Acer right here. It's not the best, but it does the trick. I gotta clean it out though, because or else it's a pain in the ass. But this is my room. I'm gonna show you later on. But we will do some car vlogs. We will do all kinds of things. I gotta get a tripod for you guys. Let me just open the light here. I will be upgrading my room. This is just a bit of it, so that when I do game or do vlogs for you guys, it's so much better. And in the car, I'll see what I can do. But I'm gonna bring my GoPro in the car to do videos for you. I got so far. It's doing really well. I just gotta check out how I'm gonna do this because for now my setup will be not too expensive but pretty good, so I can do content videos on a bunch of games that you guys saw yesterday on the video or early today, which really appreciate. It was hard to figure out how we were gonna do this because we went through this camera, but the other SD card was full or didn't have memory at all. So we had to use our laptop. We used the iPad that was full. That had like almost no memory. So we took the laptop. So it was not too great quality, but I hope this is really good quality. We will be upgrading soon. Not sure when, probably in a couple months. But this will be our vlogging camera for now. We are hoping to get a camera better so we can actually do a flip screen and show you guys everything we do around our entire lives here. Our good amount of life. That makes no sense, but you know what I mean. I got my camera, GoPro. I gotta try to empty out the other card and then use that for the GoPro footage. I got so much stuff I gotta do. But thank you for you guys to support us through all this way. Justice says the same. Hit that thumbs up, and it will encourage us to post more and more every day. And if it's not here and I can post something, it's either gonna be a vlog or gaming session when I get the chance, after work, before work, whenever. We just gotta find out an editing software to be able to merge two videos so I can do morning and afternoon. But other than that, it's what I can do. So I'm just gonna check real quick how much time I got in this because I don't have much time. Okay, so I'm gonna end it right now. I will see you guys tonight. Peace. And yeah, well, I'm pretty sure I will most likely be with Justin tonight, gaming on most likely Dying Light. If not, we're gonna do a quick other vlog. But if not, I'll see you tonight. And stay positive and game on.